All right. Hopefully you're able to hear and see. So this is my 2016 BMW 340i Xdrive. As you can see, it's currently raining. Well, it's not raining anymore, but it was raining. So the road is wet. We have slippery conditions. Let's see how the Xdrive holds and pulls in these type of environments. Let's get right into it. Sport plus, let's do sport. Manual mode. Oh, she grips. Yes, sir. Let's turn on that heated steering real quick. Crack the passenger window so that you can hear this noise. So I can feel that it's not giving me full power, just because obviously there will be a loss in traction and stuff, but nevertheless feels really good. Feels absolutely fun. Let's do a little quick pull on green, half throttle. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get some heat in this. I'm feeling a bit chilly. Turn it up a bit. Get my heated seats. But it doesn't know where he wants to turn. Hey, make your mind up, my boy. Are you sure that's where you want to go? All right. Let's not turn it up too much. So a quick fun fact. This knob here, if it's on blue, then these specific, I'm not even sure if you're seeing, but these two vents will blow cooler air than what is blown among the other vents. So if you want, for example, your feet to be warm, but the actual air that's blowing directly in your face to be cooler, then all you have to do is just slide this knob to the blue side, and then then yeah, it will be a cooler air. So for my guys out there with their F30s, if you didn't know, now you know. Got the train over here. This is a one-way street. Make sure you're in. Sure you're in the vehicle lane and not the bicycle lane. Let's turn right here. Slowly approach. Make sure the way is clear. Then you can turn right on red. Such a gentle man. Or if it's a lady, such a kind lady. Oh, it's a guy. Shout out to you, my boy. Gotta roll the windows up a bit. I don't want to get splashed. Where are you going, sir? Going straight? Let's take a left. But yeah, the power delivery between Sport Plus and Sport, it's two different things. It's two different things, and that's just because of the traction control. Like Sport Plus, I can immediately feel the torque. Watch for this guy here. I can immediately feel the torque whenever I step on it in Sport Plus, but in Sport, let's go straight actually. Wanna follow the Mustang? He's gone. Let's leave him alone. Oh, look, we got the train again. Is it him following me or me following him? I think he's following me. Ooh, another one. These guys are very busy tonight. Very busy. Yeah, the time is what, 10:52? But the city is bustling. I see you, sir. Got the LRT right there. Might name this video something like 340i races bullet train or something. I don't know. Something corny. Yeah, like even that little pull. If I was in Sport Plus, then the tires would be spinning for sure. For sure. Road closed. Oh man. I wasn't there. Hello? What's going on, man? Oh my days. Gotta pay attention on the road, boys. These people are crazy. Imagine, I had the green light, I'm going straight, but it was gonna turn, cause an accident. Now the thing about driving in the rain is that you have to ensure that you know the roads if you're gonna drive spirited. Why? Sometimes there will be puddles, potholes that it's deceptive. You know, it looks like it's just a shallow puddle. And if you don't know, then it catches you off guard. You just gotta be very careful. So fun. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you in the next one. Yes, sir. Alright, I'm gone.